So here is just a quick overview of Spotify group sessions. I recently tried it on the party and yeah, it's pretty smart. So I'll just share my experience, how it works and what you should know, especially if you're just starting out with it. So first of all, yeah, you just need obviously to have Spotify app, and then yeah, you can create a group session. You can just connect to the speaker obviously and create a group session. So why do you need that? So it's quite handy during parties, for example, or some events. Like if you just if you run in the playlist yourself, some people just not like it, for example, or some people want to add some specific cool song during the party. And in the old times, you needed, to go to the DJ and ask to play this song. But these days, you can just easily create group session. Then you can join this group session and add your favorite songs to the queue. You can manage the queue so other people can also listen to your songs. So, for example, here you can just join the jam, join the group session. How to do that? You need to click on the link that the host shared. It can be just a link somewhere in the group chat, or it can be a QR code. Also, if you're on the same Wi-Fi as on Bluetooth, I think it should be possible. So if you have a party in the office and you join the kind of the same Wi-Fi, and I think you need to have your Bluetooth turned on, then you should be able to discover that. And then yeah, you basically join. If you want, if you're inside the place, you can just select here play from the person's speakers and then just tap join. Then what you will see here is just like a list of the songs which are playing in the queue, like the party queue. You can this is just like a songs from the queue, and then you don't need to be a host or admin. You just, as a participant, you can add songs and then you can move the songs in the queue, which is pretty cool. So yeah, and then there is a green button where you can just tap add songs, and then from there you can add songs yourself. And then it's also interesting, there are two screens. First of all, there is a screen group recommendations when you're trying to add songs. So why is that? It's because, like if we imagine you have a party and it's a house music party and you like different genre, you like R&B. And then if you just randomly add some song, it can ruin the party, obviously. So the first screen is just the group recommendations. These are the tracks which are common to the theme of this party, of this music event. And then so it just Spotify gives you recommendations, and also Spotify gives you recommendations with some songs which are common to the party, and also which ones you liked. So yeah, you can also add that like this as well. So try that, and then if you don't like, of course, you can just go to the second screen and add your own songs which you like. Then, like if you just tap on the group session, in the participants, you can see all the participants. From here, you can just tap invite button to invite friends. Friends will be able to add, skip, and play music on the same speaker. So just invite friends. And then from here, actually as a participant, you can remove other participants from this jam, but you can't remove the host. So yeah, you can remove other participants. So just tap on three dots in the right, and then you'll be able to remove participants. Others on the same Wi-Fi network can see your display name and profile image. So that's that. So you can just remove, if you just tap on these three dots, you can just tap remove from the jam. And then another thing is you need to know that if you are not the host of this group session, you can't adjust the volume. So, if the speakers are too loud, for example, if you just adjust the volume on your phone, it won't influence the speaker. So only the host of this group session can do it. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then the other thing, as a participant, you can't remove the host. So that's what it is. Yeah, then of course you can just tap to leave the group session in the top right. So you can also do that. You can add another songs, add to queue, and it's pretty cool that you can easily manage it or remove songs from the queue. But of course, just be careful to not ruin the event. But yeah, pretty cool feature. It's getting a lot of development. It's getting a lot of this, AI enhancements, and it's quite helpful during the party. A lot of people want to share their own tracks, and instead of taking some other laptop or like iPhone or Android, whatever, and then just type in the song manually there. You just can join with your phone and just share your favorite songs from your Spotify. So that's pretty cool feature, I need to say, and it makes parties more fun and more easy to relax and all of that. So give it a try. Hope it was helpful.